we have the controller here. He's been behaving now. So far so good. We got the vibrator part. Today we're going to bring in a remote dog trainer collar. Now they give you a couple of tools with it, accessories with it. For first of all, connection. So there's no batteries required. It's wireless, everything. Battery built in, lithium batteries. Now if you guys notice, I just put the actual rubber ends. These are included with it. They actually give you another set of them. If you guys notice, these are larger ones because these are actually made for dogs that have thicker hair or maybe a larger breed too. So these are little tiny ones, and these could be removed with the actual tool. If you guys notice, they give you this little tool. Not only that, just to remove them too, but also to test it out too. When it's on, you could see the light indicating that there is some voltage on there. All right, if it's low battery, it's going to indicate it's low battery. Now there's a couple of scenarios you should know about the remote control. First of all, there's a vibrating remote, electrical, and then audio. And of course, you could change the length of time and all that stuff. So this is wireless. It gives you a little reader here. If you guys notice, there's a little reader in the bottom, how much battery there is. Right now we don't have any voltage on it right now, but we could change that to a different level. So right now I'm sending voltages. If you guys notice, I'm going to send this. If you guys can hear that, I'm sending the vibrator part. So that's the vibrating part, audio. This could be a tone to warn your dog, audio. And then we got also the electrical one. Unit up. Right now the batteries are a little low. It's a micro USB connection, so we're going to go ahead and plug it in and get it going. So let's go ahead and charge it up before we use it, because the electrical shock and the vibrator will drain your battery. So just make sure you be aware that you have that. But once you have it in there, it'll last you for hours. Dog training is going to be easy and it's going to be simple. On the other one, you're going to be able to actually charge it up too. There's another indication here underneath it. It's a USB, micro USB. As you can see, you can charge it. So we're going to go ahead and charge it, and then we're going to use it, put it to use with our pets. So let's go ahead and do that. So we had an issue where he was going on the other side of the fence. We end up using this, and we control him from here. So he's able to be controlled. Now the only thing I'm gonna have to do is shorten up the sleeve, this thing, because he's still a puppy. So we're gonna shorten it up, cut it up a little bit, and it should work. But so far so good. We haven't had any issues. He's been behaving. I make a beeping sound if he doesn't behave. There's a beeping sound. He knows what, he stopped completely. Behave. There, he knows that to behave, not to attack the other dog. He calms down. Very simple, easy to set up.